Okay, so this time I've got, well, it's got this logo on one side, and on the other side, there's a bunch of text, but you can't read it, so it says Pacific Southwest Region, 21st LIUNA, L-I-U-N-A Convention. I'm not really sure what that is. I suppose I could look it up real quick. Let's see. Alright. Oh, okay. Laborers International Union of North America. Well, that certainly makes sense. Okay. So, we've got this as screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, and very interesting how this is made compared to the Swiss Army knives. Bottle opener, I guess. Yeah, bottle opener, I think. Ooh, I'm getting hungry. Okay, so we've got this small screwdriver. It's, you know what, this is actually pretty much, a Swiss Army knockoff, really. Oh, but that's, oh no, okay. This they usually have on the back of the Swiss Army knives instead of in the front. Close them. And then big honkin' blade. And it says Colonial from USA. I'm not sure why it says Colonial. Maybe that's the name of the company. And last but not least, okay, yeah, this is a piece of crap. It almost broke right then. Little corkscrew. And then we've got this thingy here. Okay, so I guess I'll see you after I eat something.